My third and final mini lesson for my assignment, I will be talking about vowel teams. My objective for this lesson is that students will learn to identify common vowel teams, understand their sounds, and read words that contain them. My materials will be flashcards with the word teams on them, whiteboard and markers, and a worksheet for them to practice independently before coming back together as a group. To introduce the topic, we will go back over vowels, A, E, I, O, and U, review short and long vowel sounds and words, give a few examples of each before diving straight into vowel teams. So when introducing vowel teams, I'll explain to them that it's two vowels that work together as a team that make up one long vowel sound. To help them remember that, they can think of when two vowels go walking, the first one normally does the talking, but the second one is normally silent. And I will give them some examples such as AI in rain or AO in boat. And I have my flashcards that are not faced right, but I will fix that later. Except for in house, which is an exception to the rule. So we will also be using the sorting whiteboard for that as well, but we will be doing it a little bit different. It won't just be short and vowel words being packed in together and you have to sort them. We will be using these words and they will tell me whether they make the same sound, such as rain, they work together, or whether it's two different letters next to each other but they make different sounds, and that's what that will be. They will have to say the word out loud. They will sound it out, g, e, ch, or train, to help figure it out. So there's going to be three different activities that we can do. I picked out three just in case they struggle with this one. We could do it multiple times. So one of them is more of a bingo game. I will be creating a bingo card that has different vowel team words similar to the worksheet, but it'll be different words. It'll be a whole bunch of them. And I will call out the words, and if it is a vowel team word, they will highlight it on their board, and the first one to bingo, whether it's this way, up and down, the normal bingo ways, they will get a piece of candy, and then they win that round, and we will start again. I feel like that would be a fun little game idea to get them involved and engaged with vowel teams. Another one would be a silly story challenge. I will be giving about 3 to 5 vowel team words. They could be in groups, this could be an independent thing, but they will have to use those words to create a silly sentence or a short story, but they have to involve those words, like all of them in that one story. And then they have to, the simple one is back, the vowel team worksheet where they highlight the words that contain vowel team words / sounds, and I put the remember that vowel teams have two vowels working together to make one long vowel sound to help, remember. If you read it enough times, it would stick in your brain. This lesson, I will go back to the saying that I said that they could use to remember, and I will ask them that, but in a question type of a way. For example, what happens when two vowels go walking? And someone will say the first vowel usually says its name or normally does the talking. And that's how we will conclude that lesson.